Alright, so in this video you're going to have a giveaway announcement and also a little bit of channel news regarding some upcoming videos, and you might want to pay attention to what videos are coming up, because if you find out later in this video that you didn't win the giveaway prize, whatever it is, I'll reveal that soon enough. The next giveaway prize is going to be this micro drone here, a little 2.5-inch micro that I built a while back and I'm not flying anymore. I'll be giving this away in a future video. It's going to be one of these products here that you'll see that I'm going to be showing briefly, and I'm just going to basically giving you a heads up because when that video comes out for 24 hours, the giveaway will be live, and then I will pick a winner after 24 hours. So I'm going to make these giveaways short, and then the winner has to claim their prize within 24 hours, because I just don't have the time to deal with people that want to wait for 6 months and come back later and, oh, I want to get my prize. So I'm just not doing that anymore. So 24 hours, that's going to be the new norm going forward. But let's go and talk about some of the new stuff that's coming out on the channel in future videos here. And again, one of these will be chosen for the next giveaway prize. I don't know. I'm not going to reveal it here. You have to watch the videos to find out. First off, there's this new action camera from Akaso. It's called the Brave 8. Kind of looks like a GoPro. 4K video, of course, waterproof, all that, blah blah blah. I'll have a video on this one soon. Just want to give you a heads up, this is coming out. I also have the new GoPro Hero Black Bones, and I'll have a video on this one as well. So I've got the new Umagod 250, but this is the 4-inch, 3.5-inch version. I have the 3.5-inch props on this one, so I've been testing this one out, and I'll have a video on this one in the near future. And I got this new Beta FPV Express LRS 2.4 GHz receiver. It's a PWM receiver, so this will probably go in some kind of a plane. Not exactly sure, but yeah, I'll have a video on this one as well. So I do have all the new stuff from Radio Master that all the other guys have made videos on already, including these new AG01 Mini CNC metal gimbals. I haven't even opened the box yet. I've been buried in other videos, so I haven't got a chance to get around to this one, but I'll do a video on the gimbals, also the stick ends, and this is the case for the Zorro, so that'll be another video coming up. I do have this product here, actually two products, a little tiny fast charger and a power bank, 20,000 milliamp hour power bank from this company called Evatronic, and actually there will be a giveaway for this video, and it's actually sponsored by the vendor for these products. And actually I put a little post up on my community page for this charger. Right now it is 40% off, so it's like $18.50, which is really cheap for one of these guys. And yeah, but I don't know how long the coupon is going to be active for, so I already put that up. I'll link it also in the video description as well for this video. And I think this one's like $10 off, so it's like $20 for this power bank. Anyway, this will be a video coming up, and I'll have the giveaway in that one, which will also be a one-day giveaway. All right, so I got the new HGLRC Veyron 35CR pusher Cinewup. I know that everyone has already reviewed this one, but this is an updated version. So as you know, with the chip shortage and everything, and shortages in general, all these companies are having trouble finding parts, including things like the MPU 6000 gyro. So they've updated the flight stack. So it's a new flight stack with a new flight controller, and this one has the new BMI 270 gyro from, I think it's made by a company called Bosch. So obviously it's got a different tune on it. They've updated the motors, so these are 2006 motors instead of the ones that you saw in the original videos. So basically it will fly totally different. I'm not going to reveal a nice secret yet. You'll have to wait for that video. But yeah, if you're interested in a 3.5-inch Cinewup, this is going to be a different review because it's a slightly different model with some updated parts. Obviously the frame's the same, but yeah, it'll probably fly a little bit different compared to what you've seen before. And then the camera here is the Mobius Maxi 4K. And this is another interesting product because it's a 4K camera that now has a new firmware update that just was released maybe like a week or two ago, that does the gyro flow. It saves the gyro data to a CSV file onto the SD card, so you can use gyro flow. With this, I haven't actually done the testing yet. I have all this all just mounted in here like this, ready to go, and we'll have a video on this one as well. But I do want to let you know that this is in stock right now. It might not be in stock by the time my video comes out, because I think the word is out that this is now Gyroflow compatible, whereas it wasn't before. So it was something that no one was interested in reviewing and making videos on until now, and it might be sold out pretty soon. So I'll link this as well in the video description if you want to check it out. Of course, I haven't done any testing yet. I've seen some testing results from other people. They look good, but I haven't done anything myself. So just letting you know, the videos come up as well. I'm not exactly sure when, but I'm letting you know that it is in stock, at least currently today. It might not be in the future. Got another 7-inch build coming up here. This is the Aura 7-inch frame from Voxier. And yeah, this is a pretty nice looking 7-inch frame. Obviously this is for DJI, and they also sent me some stack parts. I'm going to be adding my own DJI air unit for that, and I'm going to be using the GEP-RC 2806.5 motors on this build. So that'll be another build coming up sometime, hopefully in the month of May. Okay, so I got a car boat transmitter here. So this is a FlySky. It's called the G7P. And I don't usually review these kind of transmitters, but if you want to do some special stuff with your RC car or boat, this is a budget transmitter, but way better than the ones that come like in the I guess the RTRs. Basically, they come with the transmitters, the stock transmitters on a lot of these cars. They're not that great. So if you want to upgrade to something a little bit nicer, this is about $60 or $70. And it does come with the receiver, but I haven't done any testing on that. That'll be coming up in a future video. Okay, so I'm going to reveal the winner of the prize that I'm going to be revealing here shortly. It's John Larson. He left a comment on my video from yesterday on this JCN EV7 electric bike. That little review, and again, I'm going to be targeting people that leave comments on the first day that the videos are released. So if you want to get in on future videos, make sure that you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you don't miss the videos. And if you find that the video is, I'm finding out that a lot of people are finding or discovering the videos maybe like a week later. And it has to do with the fact that YouTube sees that you don't click on the videos when they come out. So they don't show you new videos until they expect you to click on it. So I guess, if I want people to click on the videos sooner, I got to sort of do these kind of things to train you guys to actually find the videos faster. And I think that helps the channel out more than if you click on the video, 2 or 3 weeks later. So this is the video. John Larson, you have 24 hours to claim your prize, and this is the prize. So it's my old Tyro 99 that I have not flown in forever. But it still works totally fine. It's a great little 5-inch cheap quad. And yeah, John, if you want to claim this prize, send me an email here. I'll put up on the screen, and within the next 24 hours after this video is released. That's going to do it for this one. If you were want to know when this prize is coming out, it'll be in one of those videos that I just mentioned earlier before. One of these other products that I'm going to be making a video on. It will come out in there, and you'll have one day to put your entry in and then claim your prize. Okay, that's going to do it for this one. Talk to you later.